So usually we listen to the business problems, like we attend to business problems, stakeholders. We listen their problem, right, and try to do a technical feasibility. Get back to them saying that, hey, it's feasible to work, not feasible to work. What are the trade-offs that you need to consider, and what is the what do you need to expect once we automate this solution, right? We set up that and then do a brief level architecture for that, maybe within Automation Anywhere, or if you need to use external services or integrations, like anything. We talk with the enterprise architects, we talk with the application teams, we talk with the various stakeholders and build that architecture out and hand it over to the developers, and developers develop it. And we also, in my role, I also do the best practices, like what are the best practices, do's and don'ts, right? Now, and I think that is pretty much, like, if it is required, we'll be hands-on. But yeah, that's pretty much the day-to-day activities.
Yeah.
The biggest achievement, I think, the opportunity to join Columbia for sure, because when I came in, we are just starting on, like, we don't have any automation activities. So luckily, got to share the opportunity along with Dave to build a team here, to expand the program and get so many automations, right? Getting that initial breakthrough is really hard. Setting up that infrastructure for COE or even setting up all that ecosystem is really hard. So we were able to form a team at both offshore, onshore, and the ability to penetrate into the entire organization and add more value, add value to the system is like the biggest achievement. And that too we did within a short time, like within 2020, I think 2019 when we started the program, our goal was to do 10 automations, but we achieved 25 within first year itself.